Graham Interscholastics was started 2012. That's a long way, so it's already 12 years after, from 12 to 24. So, membersipwe sama-sapura, wamet por Kinisou por Papa, Rereven, Sabat, por Puit, who is also a youth advocate, who's been working hard to push the youths of Chuuk to be better citizens, to work hard in school, health, and sports. Ladies and gentlemen, note, guest speaker Rikerei, Agwapa Ipo, Etiwarok, Sabat's representative, Timothy Ruda, Epoye, Alfonso, Gary Gitsvedisi. Sipo EPC.
So chapur, fitri, pui, fitri, ay diroam. Umaray pue, puputare fos, ay puparway, ay letitiroan. Ika ay Kinisou giri sabat skot noneng, ren marawe pecekun. May fangiri kitsnori rari gerai. Yebin ne sabatori Ruda, sabatori nomne nevirats gereits, at sabatori fitiat se rari gerai. Ngay pan sapoira rewe ay tiro. Pwede titiroan, wala chariro, ngay patiroan, Chuuk tarachaw kitsmin no fan, ngay patiroan, ewa mafen Mayor Stephen Tori chacharawe, wala municipal, ngay patiroan, amafen kapila, Governor Narun, Tori, Lieutenant Governor William. Yevi mamat ne filat sa ele titiruang sebe yotsia. Igawor sa panam refs ngai puwar was serway pa pare parway kapong fiti ay tiro mesu ferwan. Sabats Honorable President Cory of the 17th Chuuk State Legislature House of Senate, but Honorable Sabats Speaker Lester Mercer. En de gu, we skarbe fevrat skan. Seri savior, segosire fasit Chuuk. Gesi paitir, reran nim geni gemi medisin. Raise of hands if you don't speak Chuukese. Okay. Ngai pugarong subus. Geri kits medisin kits armumat. Bogiten we your puits. Befefilats, ruegis wireless de weweti at fasit Chuuk. Ngai buwo pa kasaro remix city ke fosa. Egis merga. Egis Chuuk. Por egis para wiga. Egis pora pebasat. Ya koe. Ngarjele. Ejnamor. Kaselelia. Raisom mau. Tahu suruh pergi sawit dia ke students. Ali. Lagi ada belaun dia. Yup. Gil total. Yeah, but there's a random event, just so everybody knows, I speak 4 languages. I understand about 5. I can write 3, but I commonly use 2. When Fidri asked me, for those who don't know, as Fidri introduced, he just plainly said my name was Tim Ruda. But just in case you forget, I got a new name, and he was blessed by the governor of Chuuk when we were in Guam. I got a new name, so it's the easiest name you can call me by. Just in case you forget my name, my real name, and you see me on the road, my new name is very, very simple. Itay Chuuk. Itay Chuuk. My name is Chuuk. So when you see me on the road or anywhere else, Reranip Chuuk. Ngai buawe me kapata, ngai siri te gari Chuuk. Pure boka fish ngi atet seban. Yaru arbe yan. Atet seban fenuwe. Ai Chuuk fenuwe. we, ay bom, ay wagdagat, ay fos, ay tong, ipapwerin ni Chuuk. Met dat spelen si Rubaferi, Rubazozogari, Rubaperi ni Chuuk. Inapata, wame papa iti, papa baba, ilmi paribu tigari, upresiuri ite, upresagitari, iteri Chuuk. Avoy te paparina, usut, revivesin. For sure, Southern Toloas, Chuuk High School, Sarab Chuuk, Xavier, Southern Fefen, Perea, avoy te barway te fay Chuuk, ladisin. Avoy te, abi ba marita, no put it severi ats fostering, rani karay. Yo se serat siyan, asarapan Chuuk. Avoy te resor mapanno, on pom, on fos, on verfer, epopairin ni Chuuk. Ikabet, yuvei pung, ekita, abi kras say kiray. Ekita geri pungun, feri tere abi krasikun, feri tere abi krakaler. Gejet severi, bekebet tots bei sisi ferry resor mapanno, John nugun reren to, gerbor rababit, Chuuk. Ikabet. Well, I guarantee you, when you go out of Chuuk, and you run somewhere out there, and you succeed, and you're number one, no one from abroad is gonna say, wow, that person from Fefet. Maybe they will, only if they're Chuukis. But if it was somebody else from abroad, they're gonna say, wow, that runner from Chuuk. Right? To the Pohnpeians, Marshallese, Palauans, Yapis, Kashrans that are attending Xavier, I promise you, when you go out and they're like, wow, that runner from Pohnpei, I'm going to chase them down and say, out of Chuuk. When they say, wow, that runner from Marshalls, I'm going to say a product of Chuuk. When you go back and run for Palau and you win in Palau, I'm going to come to Palau and say, he came from Chuuk. Credits to Chuuk. As you can see, I'm Chuuk proud. I'm going to stand up here and claim I'm Chuuk proud. Maybung, sa Northwest Pefang, rewagi churong na office, ajuda, yats from Mott, non-legislature, very deravase Pefang. Now I'm going to quote a simple quote that former President Panuelo of FSM said, and I love it. He's Pohnpeian, by the way, but he said, I'm going to be Micronesian before I'm Pohnpeian. So before I'm from Pafang, before I'm from Northwest, I'm Chuukese. I'm not going to talk too long. I wrote down what I was supposed to say. The whole thing that I just finished was introductions only. My name is Chuuk, that's introduction. I live for Chuuk, that's introduction. Now I'm going to get into the body. My body's fat, that's body. When Fitri asked me to be the guest speaker this morning, he told me, please, come out, talk to the students, try to give them something motivational and inspirational about sports, education, and health. It's tough. It's tough. Why? Because I guarantee you, and I guarantee everybody sitting here today, when I'm done and I sit down, you're gonna forget about everything I said. Not that you didn't listen to me, but you probably just don't care. So I'm gonna try to be as innovative as I can. I'm gonna try to be as creative as I can. And I'm gonna try to be as simple as I can. To try to say something today that will stick. That at the end of the day, you will walk away and at least remember one word that I said. If it's not Chuuk, it's something else. And I hope you find it. If you can answer this question, what are we supposed to do here today? Si Buffett? Si Buffett? If I'm not forcing America. Run! Si Buffett, get Chuuk. May pot bagis siya. Chuuk. Up. You ain't fight that Chuuk, not Chuuk. Ha? Bigyan po sa akin sa bagay siya, you ain't fight that Chuuk, not Chuuk. Siyamag. Bigyan po kasamag, kasamag. We are here to run, right? That's what we are here to run. That's what we are here to do. We are here to run. But now, my next question is, what are you running for? You're running for your high school. Torowas obviously is running for Torowas. Fefin is running for Fefin. Savior is running for Savior. Or Savior is running for the whole Micronesia. Beria is running for Beria. Chuuk High School is running for the whole Chuuk. Saramet Chuuk is running for Sarap. You're obviously here to run. But I'm here to tell you today that that's not the only thing you're running for. If there has to be something said today that you have to remember, let it be this. You are running for your lives. Normally when we say that, it's in a negative way, right? Somebody points a gun to your head and say, run for your life. Right? Somebody threatens you and say, run for your life. A dog chases you and you say, run for your life. Don't get me wrong. You're here to run for your life. And when I say run for your life, I mean you're running for something set ahead of you to achieve. You are here today to run for your life. Run because you have a goal set in life that you are trying to achieve. That's number one. Number two, run because you are carrying the weight of struggles of your current living and you need to lose it. What I mean is, I run because I'm full of weight. I'm sexy fit. My muscles are there, they're just relaxing. Run because you're weighed down by struggles. Run because you have a lot of struggles and you need to get rid of them so that you can better face life. Lastly, run because you are running towards something greater for you and your family. Run because you are running for something greater for you and your family. Do not run because you're running away from something wrong and the police is chasing you. Do not run because you're in a hurry to get to something bad. Kesap siya, pagyatapan, o kapatigir niya what's thoughts pengag. Giga kasap siya, pagyasyasin niya what's thoughts pengag. Niya polis katsip. Huh? Lastly, do not run away because you're running away from a challenge. Do not call in absent because there's an exam today. Kasap skip class, kasap siya sa niyo orates. Pwede sila kasi study niya pwede. Don't run because you're running away from the challenge that you're supposed to face. Face the challenge. Run because you're losing weight. What I mean by weight is the struggles that's holding you down so you can get towards your goal. Run because you're running towards your goal. And when you run with these three things. Number one, run with perseverance. Number two, run with purpose, run with motivation. Run with pride. Run with pride. I will always tell my basketball players, I'm not the biggest man alive. I'm not the smartest man alive. I'm not the strongest man alive, but I swear I'm not afraid of nobody. Somebody can shoot me, somebody can beat me up. I won't know how to take down the best fighter in the world, but I'm still gonna get back up because I have so much pride and I'm not afraid of nobody. Isap nga rabayo wate, isap nga rabayo pachak, isap nga rabayo agats the field. Ngay boret sar, ubak kabat, isiriway tiyabat. Ubak ko friend way disit, ubak ko friend somong. Ubak siya, ubak kuf, ubak field, ubak kuf. Emere po pasuway, ubak eh. Pasuway mo. Isyafa ka fang, isiriway tiyabat.
Yep.
Why? Because I have pride. I stand up for something. And if it's not my people, I stand up for Chuuk. To conclude, there's really 5 things that takes you around the world. There's 5 things that takes you around the world. If you're somebody that likes to travel, there's 5 things that takes you around the world. Number 1, education. Education will take you around the world. Number 2, working for the government. Akapito, Lieutenant. Working for the government will take you around the world. Number 3, let's go. Working for the airlines. You work for the airlines? I worked for the airlines for 11 years. I flew around the world. I got tired of it. It will take you around the world. Number 4, if you're looking to travel the world, go to the military. Let's go! Take you around the world. Number 5, who can guess number 5? Somebody guess number 5. Huh? Somebody guess number 5 for $5. Somebody said it. I heard it over there. Who said it? I heard it from Xavier. What's your name? The tall kid, yeah. The Akapito kid. Silvanus, come over. Get your $5. Now you can take your $5, add $1. Chuuk High School is selling plates for $6. The 5th one is sports. Nibu karabet tots, may tori ari sukong kupotori. Nerian, bigat neri no furifan. Gaya ko pa travel, gaya ko pa saifatan no furifan. Ayewin, obsigon. Oruan, obakang iribun. Urugatin, obakang iri airlines, siga obakang iri United. Urugatin. So few, dorong na military. Wasay go on, sports. Naipora sports, apa fite, kiri-kiri sports, ngawi fiti. Ngawi fiyot ay patori po travel. Gini kotsneri. Nari saber, may paror Chuuk. Papagkarapas siya, gani paror tsneri, rupara masa ni kiusap man. Repanoyap, kaya panaf. Yung patong mga opportunities. So, to conclude, this run will also give us a good idea. Ready yan, supatori pa fili. Arapatupuri Chuuk, naro 17 and under, yap. Rebegi siya. Ika, firbebasan. Nari micro games. Ika po watsi bang. Ika po sarong-orong. Gini yung smetot nga ire. Oso po sarong po tsetseveri. Gini yung sarong fasi gini kitsikanay. Itap Chuuk. Nga wo ita pari laite. Babetas beri sino po ferry. E po pandi get Chuuk. Ay tirawabi. Ay Kinisou chapur. Rerandim sefer.
Kinisou chapur, Kinisou. Si po ISC Safari no sir, ke speaker ren. Honorable Timothy Ruda ke Mr. Chuuk. Officiating. Yeah, esa patsian. Sampang-sampang seben dusun sampai por Kinisou Boone. Ni paretiwa आज तुगर रेरान फानसोन आरो पन किटिकिट नरि रेरि केरे Yesia merunusen Kinisou parpapa atsibo parere yageri sabat Lieutenant Governor of Chuuk, the Honorable Mekiyoshi William. Sipo pare pisi.
when the touch made is anywhere, she was just Kinisou Africa. As for all, she's a chicken. It will cheer force. I don't know where she was a Palestina. I very good. She got the wrong. Well, a Johnny Rock, the Jew Mathen Mayor, where Stephen, Deputy Mayor, Iron, Chairman, one where they boom, Woodwater, Kurdish, the Buddha, where they boom. Someone medicine, some order, for the word, I don't know, some order, the Yasher on the way I get out, Rock. So, Boone, Arabashe word, they see that's the Rowabi. The Rowan, the Honorable Alexander Narun, Sevaju, Mefet Kibira, not Chuuk, President Korea, President House of Senate, Tori Medicine, Honorable Senators Medicine, Speaker, Tani Messiah, Honorable Representative Medicine, Noraju Arebung, Kinisou, Leiwan, even there, we send a Farafarigarai, well, Honorable Iway Shagura. Our rare Afara family appreciate the Gage. At the Rowan, Shevatsko, Sense Medicine, Rovatsko Sikun, parents, principals, Archdi Ruawi, Arabas Medicine, Mefecto, Arbocatore, Eshaigara, Abia Chikijan, Joshikun, Rally Egara, Archdi Ruawi. Kapogere Fanson, Kiramai Christus, a Boran of Ready Medicine. Kinisou, we should met Wapasa. Is up to them as force. Very decabira, Nadio Juk State leadership. We some ne Pampa supporting Nete, Epa Fishigarai, Nolavia Radin, Sha, Iga, Kitil. Yea. Kids may Matagari Saniten Chuuk Kuya Boone Gawa Puramo Gawa set to Muligan
No, for just turn it to them because they're gonna say
when the
like what we
kids may Papa the support Iran Igrai
they're gonna do the same.
Net Osugosugan Iran Igrai we came police officer may run we are Ruby. For the police security, area found so fitting. Non Iran Igarai. We have a Boone, one the Papa ran away. Ewe Afara, Shady Pushit, Ewe Kino speaker, Iran Igarai. Boone medicine, Minde Apasha, Amne Fokun Murinda. I won't be even medicine Joshibu Igarai. Oshawajan, Owe, Agay, Bekel Beshabes. He Abishiri Gits, where she were furry, Igarai, Nation, Meboro. The Kinisou Chapur, and Pachaki in the bed, Wapasa, Ferdinand Kabila, Najo Chuuk State in the ship. Some Papa Beshe, they were fish, not a radigarai, but in a din, Achkabung Rigari, Medicine, Monajo Kabogan, Chuuk, Abasa. Raranim, Medicine, Kinisou Chapur.
Kinisou Chapur, I will be Savatsewa, Lieutenant Governor of Chuuk, Sipopane Pisi Ferry. Come Sipue, Unity Radiatskara, I want to Sipue, Parisina, a key medicine may Yagorum. They contributed to our 12th annual Keitani Graham, which is why it's possible. I'm
not from Uma.
Move it on this year.
888.
As Kinisou DOE, School support, for Kinisou Clark Graham and family, donation medals for the Chuuk Track and Field Association, Recreation, officials, Dutch leaders, not recreation, for our donate MVP trophies for officiate this event. Chuuk track athletes, Dutch Sensu, Krapatupuri Chuuk, Ilbe Paru Serari Sikit. 3M Trading for donating $50 worth gift card. AWM for donating $500 worth gift certificates. Sigados for donating $50 gift card. Deal Fair Incorporated for donating $200 gift card. Randy Henry for donating $60 all the way from Idaho, USA. Vicky Temfiche, $50. Bernice, $50 gift card. Chuuk High School for donating fuel, PA system and transportation to our schools and to this event. Public Safety Director Rajkan, HCR police officers, Parwara Municipal, Mayor Matipiti, Tori Rajkan police officers, Health Services, Info Science Vachans Print for helping us printing trophies, Beauty and Chef and companies for donating $400. Gary Rajkawa, Ibuku Peter Champion, we are part Pachoro, 5. Okay. We are part Pachoro, giving for our fuel, and we part give out awards. 1, 5 gift certificate, validated car, ropa recipients, Chef's Kitchen. Here, part Kinisou Gary, Mr. Boone Ryan, result remedy for contributing $3,400 for all the team trophies. Kinisou Chapur Gary Representative Timothy, Lieutenant Governor Mekiyoshi, and Kinisou Chapur Gary KB participating schools. For Kinisou Gary Governor Office, ya for Warong, Kipukuchara, Atsiwa purchase, Korik, Feriter Atsiwa Sukur, Team Medicine. Si puoi bisir medicine a King Arsiki. Okuna Team Kinisou Chapur. Mayor Arasina Siri, Chuuk Track and Field Association, Recreation. A coach yan athletes dengin. At sa team, may even need dengin for male athletes. I think it's already set. Era team dengin, may even need additional runners. So run your best dengin. You have a chance, have your patupuri. Chuuk Micro Games 2024. Kinisou Chapur, prepare your 8 lap runners. Kinisou.